Overwatch 2 Steam release has backfired! Receiving a barrage of negative reviews and ranking among the platform's worst-rated games. Many dissatisfied players come from China, where previous games' progress were wiped. Blizzard's decision to switch to Steam seemed hasty, with players criticizing the aggressive monetization, unfulfilled PvE promises, and recycled cosmetics. What the f***, Blizzard? China's grievances, from login woes to absent servers, have gone global. Blizzard's aspirations for Steam's success are in jeopardy, casting doubt on their future Steam ventures. These bastards better get it together. If you're looking for my opinion, Blizzard deserves the These guys have been screwing people over for a long time now. Fuck you, Blizzard. Fuck you,